I'm going to tell you how to set up Steam Family. Steam Family lets you share your game library with people you trust, making it easy to access each other's eligible games. First, open the Steam app on your computer and sign in to your account. Next, click Steam in the top left corner and then select Settings. Go to the Family tab and click Create or Manage a Steam Family. If you haven't created a family yet, choose a Create a Steam Family, give it a name, and continue. To invite someone, click Invite Member, then select a friend from your Steam friends list or send them an invitation. The other person will need to accept the invite to your join Steam family. Once they're added, eligible games from each member's library will automatically become available to everyone in the family. Keep in mind that some games may not support family sharing due to publisher restrictions. And that's it. That's how you set up Steam family. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.